Scenario 1. If you want to produce a high quality voiceover, you must have a quiet place, which may be hard to manage during the daytime if you are living in a crowded area, because external noises of bike, car horns, street hawkers, dogs barking, kids playing in the neighborhood are all out of our control. Still, you may minimize the noise up to a level by making the room soundproof, but then you may have to deal with noises that exist under your room. It can be a noise coming from the fan of your laptop or an AC or a ceiling fan in the background. Then you need a good microphone so that you can deliver the voice with good amount of quality. Above all, you need a crisp, consistent voice, which means if your throat is not well on a given day, then all of the above will not be of much of use. And setting all of this up can cost you hundreds of dollars. Now let's see scenario 2. If you want to get a high quality voiceover, you must hire a voiceover artist. A professional one can charge you around $100 per hour, and it soon adds up on the cost if you want to produce a long audio voiceover, say an audiobook of 10 hours. It will cost you thousands of dollars. Let's see scenario 3. Now, if you want to produce a high quality voiceover, you don't need heavy equipment, you don't need recording studio, you don't need a microphone or even your voice. Yes, that's true.
You can use Amazon Polly, which is a text-to-speech service that can produce human-like voices.
It supports multiple voices, in male,
female, and
in kids category,
across different languages, with their native accents.
you can add extra effects like break, emphasis, breath, whispering, controlling pitch and rate to add that dramatization effects to your audio.
In this course, I will show you how you can use Amazon Polly, which is a machine learning service available on AWS Cloud Platform, to produce human-like speech from your text, and you can use it as an MP3 audio. I will show you how you can translate text from one language to another and do the synthesization of translated text using Amazon Polly. So, it's going to be an exciting journey working on this course, giving voice to your text.
You can use Amazon Polly voices in many use cases,
Such as public announcements,
automated voice prompts as in IVR systems,
e-learning modules,
Podcasts, audiobooks,
Amazon Polly is very affordable in pricing.
under 1 year free tier.
You can use 5 million characters per month in standard category,
And 1 million characters per month in neural category without any cost.
pricing beyond free tier.
You only have to pay $4 per 1 million characters in standard category.
and for neural category, you only need to pay $16 per 1 million characters, and that makes Amazon Polly very affordable for many of the use cases, so try it today.
With this course, you will get continuous updates on new features released by Amazon for Amazon Polly. Almost accurate subtitles in English on each video. Q&A support and answer to your queries within 24 hours or even prior to that in some cases. A cheat sheet for SSML tags in a PDF format. All course slides in the PDF format. So, if you are excited to embark on this journey, then enroll in this course now. I will see you inside the course. Thank you for watching.